Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So today we will do the parts of the skeletal system. So let's get started. So you know that the human skeleton has mainly 5 parts that are skull, backbone, rib cage, limbs and the girdles. So we will do these all in detail for your better understanding. So first of all we will do skull. You know that it is the bony structure on our head. It is made up of 22 bones. Means, see, this is the skull and it has 22 bones. Now, out of these, the 8 are the flat bones. Means this part. And it helps to form the brain box. And here are the 14 bones that form the shape of our face. Now all these bones are fixed on the skull. Only this lower jaw is movable because we have to talk and chew the food. Now the backbone or the spine. You know that the backbone forms the main axis of the skeleton, means it is the main part of our skeleton system. You can see this is the backbone. It is made up of 33 small rings shaped bones called vertebrae. Means, see, these are the 33 small bones which are known as vertebrae. And these vertebrae when joined together, so they are known as the vertebral column. And it protects our spinal cord. And you know that it provides support to our body also. See, it helps to bend right and left and our rotation also. The rib cage. See, this is the rib cage and it has 12 pairs of the thin and curved bones which are known as ribs. Now this rib cage protects the heart and lungs. These 10 pairs are joined to this bone which is known as sternum, and these two bones are not joined. See, these two pairs are not joined to the sternum and they are known as the floating ribs. Now we will talk about limbs. Now there are 2 pairs of limbs which are the forelimbs and the hind limbs. Forelimbs are the arms and hind limbs are the legs. Now these arms are joined to the shoulder girdle or the collar bone, and the upper arm has only one bone which is called the humerus. You can see this is the humerus, only one bone is here. And in the lower bone we have 2 bones, see, the ulna and the radius. And our wrist is made up of 8 small bones which are known as the carpals. See this part, and in the palm we have 5 bones which are known as metacarpals here. And in each finger we have 3 bones, but in the thumb we have only 2 bones. Now let's talk about the hind limbs. The bones of legs are joined to the spine by hip girdle. And our upper leg has only one bone which is known as the femur or the thigh bone. See, this is femur or the thigh bone, and it is the largest bone in the human body. And you can see in the lower bone in the lower leg we have 2 bones which are known as tibia and fibula. Girdles. You know that these limbs, the forelimbs and the hind limbs, they are not joined directly to our backbone. So for this, the girdles are made. So the arms are joined to the shoulder girdle and the legs are joined to the hip girdle. You can see this is the hip girdle and the shoulder girdle. The types of girdles we have already discussed. See, this is hip girdle and the shoulder girdle, where our forelimbs join and the hind limbs join. Now, do you know that the regular exercises like walking, jogging and running, along with the other physical activities also, helps in keeping our bones strong and very healthy. It is important to keep a calcium-rich diet for strong bones, and for keeping your bones strong, we need a calcium-rich diet like milk, or banana that are very rich in calcium. So this is all for today. Friends, we will meet in the next video with the other concepts. So bye bye.